I woke up today, woke up wide awake, in an empty bed, staring at an empty room. I have myself to blame for the state I'm in today, and now dying doesn't seem so cruel. And oh, I don't know what to say, and I don't know anyway anymore. Deserved. Hope you're happy now, 'cause every time I think of her with you, it's killing me inside. And now I dread each day, knowing that I can't be saved from the loneliness of living without you. And oh, I don't know what to do, not sure that I'll pull through. I wish you knew. To do, not sure that I pull through. I wish you knew.